How to delete X account permanently. In order to permanently delete our X, or formerly known as Twitter account, all we have to do is to launch the X application and make sure we're signed into our respective accounts. From where, tap on the profile icon from the top left of the screen, and from the very bottom select the option Settings and Support, followed by Settings and Privacy. Then from there, from the very top, look for an option called Your Account and select it. Then from there, select the option called Deactivate Account. Now you might say me, this is the option to deactivate account, and if so, where is the option to delete it? As you can see, there isn't an option called delete your account. Now basically what happens over here is that when you begin this process, your account will remain deactivated for 30 days as mentioned by X themselves. And after 30 days, without saying anything, your account will be permanently deleted. So that is what over here it says. You can restore your X account if it was accidentally or wrongfully deactivated for up to 30 days, but after 30 days, after the deactivation, your account will be permanently deleted. So even if there isn't the option, just deactivate your account, wait for 30 days, do not try to log in or anything, and after that it will be beyond recovery. This way we can delete our X account permanently. I hope the video helped you out, and if you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.